Let's take a look at this example. In this example, we're supposed to find R total, okay, because it's not given. We're supposed to find R1 and we're supposed to find R2. Okay, so R total. R total I can find by using Ohm's law. R total is equal voltage source over I total. Please notice that voltage source is given. And I total, this is this current, is given as well. So I simply plug in the numbers into Ohm's law. Voltage source is equal 10 volts. Okay, divide by 3 milliamps. Okay, this is equal. We have 10 divided by 3 exponent 3 negative. This is equal 3.33 kilo ohms. Okay, so this is my total resistance in this circuit. Next, I'm supposed to find the values of resistor R1 and R2. Now, let's look right now at the component which has two pieces of information. R2 has given current, and because this is the parallel circuit, voltage is given as well. Keep in mind that in parallel circuit, voltage source is going to be equal to VR1. This is going to be also equal to VR2, and this is equal 10 volts. Okay, so R2 is equal VR2 over I2. Okay, so this is my I2. So VR2 is equal 10 volts divided by 2 milliamps. Okay, you can do this in your head by yourself, but I want you to practice the calculator. So I have 10 divided by 2 exponent 3 negative. This is very important to use function exp. Okay, exp. On some of your calculators you are going to see function ee. Okay, so this is equal 5 kilo ohms. 5 times 10 to the third power, so this is 5 kilo ohms. And this is the proper answer, okay, for R2. Next, I'm supposed to find R1. In order to find R1, I'm going to find I1 first. Okay, please keep in mind that KCL says that I1 plus I2 is equal I total. Okay, so I have I total given, I2 is given, and I have to find I1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move I2 to the other side of the equal sign. So I have I1 is equal I total minus I2. I total is equal 3 milliamps minus I2, which is equal 2 milliamps, and this is equal 1 milliamp. Now, when I have the current I1 and I have voltage across resistor R1, we can find the resistance R1. So I write R1 is equal VR1 over I1. VR1 is equal 10 volts over I1, which is equal 1 milliamp. This is equal 10 kilo ohms. Okay, but let's see how we are going to plug this into the calculator. So this is 10 divided by 1 exponent 3 negative. This is equal 10 kilo ohms. Okay, so we've found R1, we've found R2, we've found R total. So we can say that the problem is solved.